This video is designed to help you reset your confidence. But we are different from other affirmation videos. You won't just listen. At the end, I'll give you a small but powerful task. This task will help you bring what you hear into real life. Now take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. You can repeat these sentences with me, or simply listen and let them settle into your mind. I trust who I am. My worth comes from within. My skills guide me forward. I trust myself to keep moving. My strength lives inside me. I accept myself fully. My mistakes grow and strengthen me. My inner potential is limitless and infinite. My confidence multiplies every day. I am at peace with myself. My courage gives me strength. Today I take small but important steps. I am not afraid to face challenges. I accept my mistakes and take the lessons meant for me. My courage rises from my soul. Nada to try is already a gain for me. I am certain in my decisions. My courage inspires those around me. I step forward for my dreams. I move ahead with confidence. Success is my natural state. My goals are coming closer to me. My effort adds value to my life. Each day I move nearer to success. My discipline gives me strength. I am worthy of success. My actions bring outcomes aligned with my good. I enjoy progress. Success grows with me. I keep the promises I make to myself. There is an unshakable power within me. I am determined and patient. My resilience is endless. I grow stronger with every step. I use my energy wisely. My strength rests in my balance. Believing in myself multiplies my power. My inner strength leads the way. I am enough. My mind is clear and calm. I release stress. Clear thoughts guide me. I make decisions with calm and reason. My peace gives me strength and motivation. I choose calm instead of panic. Clarity lives within me. My mind feels light and focused. Calmness adds to my confidence. With every breath, I find peace. My worth is within me. Loving myself gives me strength. I am valuable without anyone's approval. I respect myself. My life is meaningful. My worth empowers me. I prioritize myself. I am precious. Every day I remember my own value. I am proud of myself. My voice comes out clear and strong. I am ready to be seen. I am happy to express myself. What I share carries value. People listen to me. Being visible increases my confidence. I am not afraid to show myself. My presence has worth. I have a place in this world. I step forward with courage and confidence. My effort brings results. My small steps make a big difference. My work is rewarded. What I learn adds value to me. I see my own progress. My results inspire me. My experiences turn into success. Every day I increase my wins. The result I want is coming closer. I trust my process. My discipline opens easy paths for me. I am loyal to my decisions. I move forward with consistency. Continuing is a sign of my strength. I am committed to my goals. My determination earns me respect. My willpower is strong. Discipline gives me freedom. My determination brings good results. I learn every day. My growth is steady and disciplined. What I learn expands me. New ideas open my mind. Growth is my natural path. My experiences give me strength. I am open to growth. Every lesson benefits me. As I grow, my confidence rises. My life is constantly expanding. Choose the affirmation that touched you the most today. Say it out loud 3 times during the day. Because when your brain hears your own voice, it sends a powerful message of confidence to your subconscious. This small repetition will replace doubt with trust. Write your chosen affirmation in the comments. Every small step each day leads you to a big transformation in life, and we are on this journey together.